Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Elery with Porter Ranch Solar. Today I'm going to be bringing you another video on the last day of our solar installation here in this city of Tarzana. So I'm going to show you guys where we're at this project at this stage. We're getting ready for the city inspection that's scheduled for tomorrow. It's a Saturday inspection. Won't know if it's going to be rescheduled to Monday. We won't find out until tomorrow, the day of the inspection. But hopefully everyone's having a great day, and without further ado, let's do this. And it's a bright, beautiful day. It's a little slight overcast this morning, but it's very sunny right now. Oh, let's take a look. We've got the AC disconnect and the electric meter. Here's the main service panel. And we've added a 20 amp solar breaker at the bottom. It is a 200 amp top fed main service panel, and this is the layout. So we could see that we are over here on this side where we've got the inverter, the AC disconnect, and the electrical main service panel. And the array is installed all the way to the west side of the home. Right here, we've got 15 modules all facing west. So our homeowner did not want to have any modules in the front of the house nor in this south area. And this is a S-tile with concrete. So if we did install here, we would have to recomposition this area here. So the best solution is to install the modules here, because they are in the back of the house and there's also no shading on this area. It's visibly clear. So let's take a look at the electric panel. The system has already been turned on and we are in its testing phase. So I need to shut this off before I leave. And let's look at this indicator on the bottom right. And we can see that the indicator is moving from right to left, which indicates that the meter is running backwards. So we are producing more than we are consuming at this time. So here's the indicator. It's flashing and moving from right to left. Now, if it is going on the opposite direction, it means that you are consuming or using more power. Let's take a look at the inverter. The inverter is installed here on this side of the wall due to clearance, and let's see. Okay, there are 15 modules out of 15, and we are producing, don't know if you guys could see this, but it's 2,280 watts at this time. So it's 2,157 watts at its current time. And this inverter is the Solar Edge HD wave inverter. It's got rapid shutdown, and it has an efficiency rating of 99%. It's one of the best in the market. The conduits are right here, and we're running all the way in the roof. While we could have run it on the side of the house, there will be a lot of turns. So therefore, we're running it to the roof is a better solution. So let's go in the back and let's take a look at the array. All right, as we are walking to the west side of the home, on a tangent, I've noticed recently that gas prices here in LA have increased. I just filled up my van yesterday, and it's about 300, it's about 385 per gallon for 87 unleaded. So I don't know what's going on, but assuming that if gas prices go up, then we'll see an increase in energy prices as well. So it is what it is, right? And as of the date of this recording, we're on Friday, May 3rd, and here's the progress. So our first initial task was to remove the existing tiles. These are the tiles that were broken due to removing them. And we've got another pile here on this side. And this and these tiles were the tiles that we were able to salvage. And they could be reused for other purposes. But they're right here. And take a look at the array real quick. So after the tile was removed, we've installed underlayment, shingles prior to installing the solar panels. And this is just to ensure that this roof will not leak. Now we've seen some installations where you can install on this tile, but it's not the right way to do that, and you also pose a risk of having a leaky roof with the penetrations or the cracked tile. So we've recompositioned, installed shingles beneath these modules, and then added the modules after the roof was done. I'm just gonna go up. I just made a little adjustment on the ladder so we're not leaning on the modules. Alright, so we're looking at beneath the modules, and what we're looking at is if there's any wiring, excess wiring or loose wiring underneath or beneath the modules. That's how you could tell and determine if the job is clean or if it's done correctly. You're not supposed to see any wires that are hanging. And also we've marked the shingle area. There's a chalk mark here, and that's for us to indicate where the rafters are. So when we make the penetrations for solar, they are not just penetrated on your deck, they are penetrated onto the rafters, so they can the footings are not just through the deck. And this is with the building code and plans. Here's the roofing material. It's our leak barrier, our shingles. So let's go up on this side. And this is the existing tile. So you see the tile and then cement. Well, after the modules are installed, we are putting the towels back around the perimeter of the array. So we can get a quick view of just love how clean the look is. Here's our Brimo time-lapse camera. We've got one set up on southwest and southeast. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I'm gonna see you guys again on the next video. I'll be posting some pictures of the aerial shots and the time-lapse recorders, so be looking out for that. And I'll say thanks for watching, guys. This is Elery with Port Durant Solar. Have a good day.